to lose excess weight and become slim. Ginger water has many medicinal properties, one of which is helping you to lose weight in a healthy and natural way. Its pleasant, spicy flavor makes it a perfect partner to help you slim down. For this simple kitchen-made effective remedy, we need only 3 ingredients: ginger slices, honey, sliced lemon pieces. Firstly, take 1½ glass of water in a bowl and boil it. Add ginger slices into bowl and let it boil for 5 to 10 minutes until color and quantity of water changes. Later, turn off the stove and cover the bowl with a lid and put aside to cool down the water. After cooling completely, strain water into a glass and add 1 teaspoon of honey and stir well. Now add sliced lemon pieces directly to the glass and enjoy it early in the morning. By drinking it regularly, you can get your normal weight back, and one can prevent being excess weight or